Verbs of perception are see, hear, watch, and listen. There are two ways we use these words. First, when the subject sees or hears the object. And the second way is when the subject sees the object making an action. The first case is it's pretty simple. I saw someone near the front door. Or I can smell lasagna in the kitchen. I heard the explosion around 3 o'clock in the morning. The second way, when you hear or see someone do the action, is used in the following way. Take a look. I saw him get into his car and drive off. After the verb of perception, saw, we use the object plus, infinitive without to. I saw him get into his car and drive off. I heard Charlie shout at Kelly over the phone. Again, after heard, we use the object plus, infinitive without to. I heard Charlie shout at Kelly over the phone. The guard saw the prisoner escape from jail and did nothing to stop him. Again, after the verb saw, we have the object the prisoner, followed by infinitive without to. But if you want to show not only the fact that you saw or heard someone do something, if you want to show a continuous action, you have to use present participle instead of infinitive. For example, she heard the door opening and closing at night. We show a continuous progressive action, here present participle, after the object door. Birdwatchers watch birds flying in their natural environment. They watch birds flying. It's an ongoing, continuous action. Compare it with this sentence. I saw the bird fly into my room. Here we use infinitive, because our accent here is not the process, but the fact that a bird flew into my room. If our main focus is a process, we use present participle. My kids enjoy listening to me reading a book before they fall asleep. They love to listen to me reading a book. They enjoy listening to me reading a book. Here, we use present participle after the object me, because our main focus is the process of reading a book, the continuous action. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you for watching and see you in the next episode. Stay tuned.